Welcome to Mastering Solutions. In this problem, they want us to estimate the length of a human lifetime in seconds. Now, if you've watched some of the other videos, you know that I don't really like these questions where they make you estimate the value that we're going to be used to getting the answer in the question. So we'll be using the number that they use in the book, and they say that the average lifetime is going to be 80 years. So we need to convert 80 years into seconds. So we know that we'll be using dimensional analysis, and I'm going to show you that we can actually go through the whole problem without putting in any numbers until the very end. When we do dimensional analysis, we want the units to be kitty-corner from each other to essentially cross-multiply like a fraction so that they will go away and we'll be left with what we want on the opposite side. So we know that we want years to be down here on the bottom so that the years will cancel like we just talked about. And now on the top, we want to convert the years into days. So in years to days, we'll put that in just a moment. So now we've converted 80 years into days. And now we want days to go into hours. So days will be down here. And up top, we'll have hours. So now the days will cancel. And then we want hours to go into seconds. So hours, and you could go hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. I just have memorized the unit that is at the beginning of the book and the useful data chart because I think it saves a lot of time. It's just faster. So now we've converted hours into seconds, which is what we need for the question. So now we know that we've done the placement of all of our units correctly. Now we just have to put in the right numbers and we'll be good. So in 1 year, there is 365 days, and in 1 day, there is 24 hours, and in 1 hour, there is 3,600 seconds. Now, if the number's on the top, we'll multiply by it. If it's on the bottom, we divide. So all the numbers that we'll be using are on the top, so we'll take 80 times 365 times 24 times 3,600. So when we do that, we get 80 times 365 times 24 times 3,600. And we get a very large number. So what I'm going to do is you could count over the numbers. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 decimal places. But you can also, if like you're on a test and you're nervous, you're going to count wrong or something, put it into scientific mode for scientific notation. And then if we push enter again, now we have our answer in 2.5 times 10 to the negative 9, which is what we just found. So the answer, the estimate of human lifetime in seconds is 2.5 times 10 to the 9. I think I might have said negative 9 a moment ago. 2.5 times 10 to the 9 seconds.